Welcome to Flip Math Lesson 3. Today we're going to specifically look at place values, and we're also going to use money to help us understand what place values are all about. So let's get started by really just looking at the number in front of us. You see the number 132. Now the number 132 is 3 digits long and falls into 3 place values, which you can see right here. We have the ones place value, we have the tens place value, and we have the hundreds place value. And so we have those 3 values. And so those are place values that hopefully you're pretty familiar with. Now, to make sure that we really get this concept down, we want to really start to look at how money can help us really understand that concept. Right? If we look at the number 53, right? If I were to ask you to have 53, and specifically $53, we would want to, you wouldn't want to be cheated out of that money. I'm sure no one would want to be cheated out of that amount of money if that's what was owed to you. So what would you actually need to do, right? We could break this down into place values, right? We could have our ones place value, which would be represented by $1 bills. And we could have our tens place value represented by $10 bills. Okay. So in the end, if I wanted $53, I would say, okay, I need 3 ones. So that's going to cover my ones portion, my 3 ones. And then of course I'm going to need 5 tens. 4, 5. So 5 $10 bills and 3 $1 bills. And that helps us better understand our concept, right? $1 bills representing the ones place, $10 bills representing the tens. This also works moving from ones and tens to also looking at, well, what about the hundreds place value? Right? Here we have the amount $422. Once again, we want to break this up so that we can understand these place values. So once again, with our ones place value, we've already gone through this idea, but we can take the ones place value, and if I need 2 ones, I'll have 2 $1 bills. Tens, we've already covered this idea, right? I would need 2 $10 bills. And now we can add in this last idea of hundreds, and if I wanted 4, I would need $100 bills. So I'd have 4 $100 bills. And so by looking at that, right, I can see the 4 hundreds, I can see the 2 tens, I can see the 2 ones. And so money can be represented in that fashion. That's what this lesson is all about, is understanding how that money can be translated into numbers and how those place values coincide with the dollar bills that are named in that way. Alright, so that is lesson 3. Here is your sample problems to get you on your way as you work with this today. That's the end of lesson